Hi, I'm Jim from Quality Heating and Air Services Incorporated. There's many things to consider as they get older, parts become unavailable, obsolete. Chances are you're having a furnace that is 60 to 70% efficient. You could be as high as 90%. We have furnaces now that get up to 98% efficient. There are rebates with the high efficiency equipment, which over the baseline equipment can actually, you can step into that high efficiency for the same money, basically. The Carrier equipment, we do have a 10-year warranty, which is very comforting to the homeowner to know that their parts are covered for 10 years. We are here to find the perfect solution for your situation. Whether it is repair or replace, turn to the experts and call Quality Heating and Air Services.